Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you two different knives made by Ward Wright, world champion knife thrower. He has done two classical designs, a stiletto design and a butterfly design. Both made for throwing though. But before I show the clips, please stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe. I have a lot of more clips coming out. I have instructional videos, both knife and tomahawk throwing, so stay tuned and please share the love that I have for knife throwing with your friends. The community needs more throwers. Check these clips out. Hi all, I want to show my new blades from Ward, his butterfly thrower. It's not a real butterfly, but you see that it's connected there. It really shows off the butterfly spirit. And he also has this knife, his stiletto, from the Magnificent 7. They're really nice to throw, both full spin and military half spin. So I'll show you both. I guess you see those. See the penetration there as well. Military half spin. They fly beautifully. I'm gonna use it to throw a Magnificent 7 throw from 7 meters. I'm going to use military half spin underhand for the throw. I think they have a full spin underhand in the film, but I'm going to use military half spin. Was a pretty good throw. This blade really works well. I'm gonna throw some nose spins with it as well. So let's try nose spin, full spin, military half spin. See if we can get 3 bullseyes. So 1. Ah, too low. 2. So I had to redo the full spin. It was a bit low first, but you see that blade, it's so fantastic. Take care all.